Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am going to walk you through on how to log into Fairwork. It's a very simple step, so without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. You can choose any web browser you like. I'm choosing Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that. And in the search bar at the very top, let's type in Fairwork login and hit enter. So this is a very important step. You have to keep this in your mind. Make sure you choose the official site, so which is this one right here. Let's tap into that and you will be guided to this page. Now since we are going to log in, let's tap into this login option right here, and that will take you to this login page. So all you gotta do is type in your credentials right here. In the email, you have to type in the email that is associated with your account, and of course your password. So since you have already entered both, that's it. Also, if you've forgotten your password, please, you don't have to worry at all. There's option right here that says forgot your password. You can simply tap into that. And since in this case, I'm hoping you already have an account, but if you don't have an account and you want to create a new account or register, you can simply tap into this option right here, and that's it. Now we have come to the final step, that is logging in. For that, you have to simply tap into that blue button that says login and you will be logged into your Fairwork account. It's a very simple step. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, but still, if you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate. You can comment down in the comment section down below. And if you want more helpful videos and tutorials like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics, and please like, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.